If you're looking for a classic piece of American boating history, look no further. This 1976 Glastron Futura 162 is a rare find, and it's ready for its next adventure. This iconic fiberglass boat features its original interior, keeping that authentic vintage charm intact. She's powered by a 1982 Mercury 50-horsepower outboard motor, reliable, proven, and ready to hit the water. The head gasket and water pump were replaced on April 14, 2026. The galvanized trailer comes with brand new tires, so you can haul with confidence from day one. And the paperwork is clean. Both the boat and trailer are registered in my name, making for a smooth and easy transfer. But here's what makes this deal truly exceptional. This Glastron comes with not one, but two additional early 1970s Mercury 50-horsepower engines from a private collection, both running. That's 3 motors total, giving you serious backup power and incredible value. Looking for more muscle? Higher horsepower inline engines from the 1970s are also available. Whether you're a classic boat enthusiast, a weekend cruiser, or a collector, this Glastron Futura 162 is a deal you don't want to miss. Reach out today before it's gone. My contact information is in the description below. Also, take a moment to watch the slideshow of the boat with the photos taken on April 15th, 2026.
Thank you for watching this brief video. Please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave a comment. I usually respond to comments in 24 to 48 hours. Have a great day today and every day.